In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable bypass permissions mode in Claude Code. This quick setup streamlines your workflow by letting Claude Code proceed with edits and actions without asking you every single time, which is great when you trust your workspace and want to keep momentum. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can turn it on with confidence and understand exactly what's changing. Start by opening Visual Studio Code and bringing up the Claude Code interface. If you don't already see it, look for the Claude icon in the sidebar to open its panel. Once you're in Claude Code, find the settings icon. It's typically a small gear, often in the lower corner or near the panel's header. Click that gear and choose Settings to open the configuration view where Claude Code's options live. In the Settings panel, use the search field or scroll until you find the option labeled Allow Bypass Permission Mode. This is the key setting that lets Claude Code move forward with certain edits and operations without asking for your approval each time. Enable it by checking the box or flipping the toggle. When you do, you're basically telling the tool, I trust this environment. You can go ahead without extra prompts. That's why it's best to turn this on only in folders and projects you recognize and control. Close the settings panel to lock in the change. Next, restart Claude Code so the setting fully takes effect. A quick restart refreshes the extension state, ensuring the new permission mode is honored the next time it wants to make changes. After the restart, return to the Claude Code panel. Look toward the bottom of the panel for an option called Ask Before Edits. This control governs whether Claude Code pauses to request confirmation each time it proposes a change. Click that area to open its choices, then select Bypass Permission. With this selection, you're aligning the panel's behavior with the setting you just enabled, so the experience is consistent across the board. That's it. From here on, Claude Code can apply changes without prompting, keeping your workflow uninterrupted. If at any point you prefer more guardrails, you can come back to the same place and switch Ask Before Edits back on, or uncheck Allow Bypass Permission Mode in Settings. And if you don't see these options, double-check that you're viewing the Claude Code settings specifically, as features can be grouped by extension. Enjoy the smoother, faster editing experience and use it where it makes sense for your projects and your comfort level.